Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a Queenacraft project share. Down below you will find all of the links to the products that I am using, as well as a discount code. So you will be able to go shopping. And that discount code is MOE, M-O-E. All right, let's jump right in. Um, Now I picked mostly like geometric shapes. However, I was struggling. I was struggling. I was just like, why did I pick geometric shapes? Because I struggle with those. I mean, literally, I do. Anyways, let's jump right in. So the first die set that I am using will be six-sided border dies, excuse me, six-sided sewing thread border dies, which is this one right here. And let me show you what I made with that. I made a few things with it actually, but this is going to be the first card I'm showing you. I just want to make a shaker because I did get shaker bits, quite a few of them, but everybody knows how to use shaker bits. So, you know, you can put the little sequence on cards. Another card, I did do that. But anyways, this is the one I made here. I put the shaker bits right in the inside, and this is two different colors. One of them is shaker card fill sequence, and that's the pink one. And then there's one, and I don't know for sure if you can see it, maybe the other little color there. That one is, I want to say that one is the 3mm shaker card fill, but you'll see all the links down below. So that's how that card turned out. I just layered it up on some other card bases and things that I had. I got this from my stash, as well as that bow. And then that's the inside of the card there. All right, so let's move on to the next one, which I am going to be using this here. It's the ellipse corner flower die. And this one, I also used an older set of dies as well from their store. I don't know the name of it, but it looks like that. And so I used that to make my card base or card layers on. But anyways, this is the one we're focusing on today. And so what I did was I just cut that out in glitter cardstock. This one does not have a back piece, so I fussy cut around that. And that's how that card turned out. I think it's really pretty. It's pretty much perfect for like a mini slimline card. And then there goes that. So that's that one. And then let's jump into the next one, which I'll be using this one here. And I made that into a baby card. And this one, let me kind of show you this. You can cut it apart if you want to, but because of the fact it's made kind of to stick together, so I left it all together. I cut it out a couple times in different colors, and then just relayered it back up in a color sequence order, and made it into a baby card. Didn't that turn out kind of cute there? I really like it. And then I also put some of the little sequence on there. Finish off the inside of the card, and that is that one. We're going to revisit this one here, and that is the six-sided sewing thread die. And when you have a hexagon shape, what better way to display it than bees and honey? And so yes, I made that into a little shaped card. I thought it turned out adorable. And I used some other dies that were in my stash, and I did finish off the inside, and it does stand up. So I really like how that one looks. Then I also am using this one as well as this one this time. And so I just layered these up to make a Mother's Day card. And I am also using, let me show you this. I'm using this set from their previous, from my previous hauls from them. I'm using this as well as this. And I thought this card turned out gorgeous. It's a Mother's Day card. Oh, and I'm also using this little gem that came from their store as well. Oh, I thought it turned out absolutely gorgeous. Stamped that on there. Stamped mom on there, and yeah, finish off the inside. And that's how that looks. Now, the last one that I'm going to do, and I was going to do a tutorial of it, but If anyone wants to know how I made this, then just let me know and I will put together a tutorial. But I am using, I didn't even show you what I'm using. I'm using this as well as this again. So, you can layer those up, works perfectly together. And look at this box. I thought it turned out adorable. Absolutely adorable. So I cut my pieces so that it would have a 2-inch border in the inside so you can get plenty in there. And I made the front and the back side the same, and I had this in my stash, but you can make your own handle there. But I absolutely love it. So hopefully the pictures will come out and do it justice. So, but like I said, I'll have all the links down below. Make sure you head over to Queenacraft, pick up these dies. Oh my gosh. After I finally kept on looking at it, I'm like, that would go so well as an Easter basket. So it looks pretty similar to a basket, but it's in a hexagon shape. Loved it. And you can also, if you were to make this, get an embossing folder that has like a basket weave. That's what I'm trying to say. And it would just be so perfect. Okay, so that is what I have for you. Didn't that turn out just absolutely so cute? I'm trying to leave it that way so you can see how it looks there. And there we go. And make sure you head over to Queenacraft and pick you up some of these dies. That is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.